How to add posts to the PURSE Plus system. At PURSE Plus, we believe in the power of community. You can contribute even further by adding posts to the PURSE Plus system for others to review and tag. Each post you add earns you 1 FUGU point, with a daily limit of 500 posts. To add a post, simply open the post you want to contribute. Once you've opened the individual post, you'll see an Add This Tweet button beneath it. Click the plus icon to add the post to PURSE Plus data. All the added tweet content will be stored on IPFS, ensuring permanence and decentralization. Congratulations! You've successfully added the post and earned 1 FUGU point. Keep adding posts until you reach the daily limit. However, note that if another user has already added the post you're trying to submit, you won't earn any points. Only the first user to add a post to the system will receive the point. Your contributions help enrich the PURSE Plus ecosystem, driving collective growth and engagement.